Good morning students, welcome to the new class. So today we'll start our first chapter of maths, that is knowing our numbers. As the name of chapter is knowing our numbers, so let us discuss something about numbers. First of all, we'll discuss about natural numbers. Do you know children what are natural numbers? The numbers which are used for counting are called natural numbers, or we can also say that the counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next is our whole numbers. What are whole numbers, children? All the natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. So example is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. You can see that other than 0, all other numbers are natural numbers. So that means if we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, we'll get whole numbers. Okay. Now suppose I give you any two numbers, 236 and 459. If I ask you which one is smaller and which one is greater, that means what you are supposed to do? You have to compare these numbers. Okay. So let us discuss something about the comparison of numbers. Comparing numbers. Let us consider some numbers. 172, 249, 787, 436. Now children, if I ask you which one is the smallest and which one is greatest number, so you can clearly see that 172 is the smallest and 787 is the greatest number. Let's take another example. 1902, 1920, 9201, 9021. Among these numbers, which one is the smallest, children? Yes, 1902 is the smallest number and the greatest one is 9201. Comparison of numbers can be made easy by arranging them in ascending or descending order. So do you know anything about ascending order, children? Okay, let us have a quick review about it. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. That means we arrange the things in an increasing order. First of all smaller, then greater than that, then greater than that, and at last we'll write the greatest one. In the same way, descending order. In what do we do in descending order? Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, that means you will write the greatest number first and at last you will write the smallest number. Let us understand with the help of an example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. See, some numbers are given here. You have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. That means first of all we'll write the smallest number. Which one is smallest among these? Yes, 127. Greater than that is 284. And greater than that is 456. And the greatest number among these is 709. So in this way, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Okay, students? Now next is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Some numbers are given here. We have to arrange them in descending order. Descending means decreasing order. Okay. So that means we have to write the greatest number first. Which one is greatest among these? 809. Smaller than that is 658. Smaller than that is 345. And the smallest number is 277. So we have arranged these numbers in descending order. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Okay. Now let us learn the use of commas while writing the large numbers. Okay. So for writing large numbers, we make use of commas. This use of comma depends upon the type of number system. Okay. So there are two types of number system, students. First is your Indian system of numeration and the second one is international system of numeration. Okay, let us study first of all Indian system of numeration. So the place value chart of Indian number system is here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay. Now see, this is 1 crore is written, 10 crore is written here. So how you will put the commas? Ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds you will put a comma. 1000, 10,000. Then you will put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. Then again comma. Crore, 10 crore. Okay. So this way commas are put in Indian system of numeration. Let us understand with the help of some questions. Okay. See, write the number name for the following numbers in Indian number system. Now this number is written here. First of all, we'll put the commas so that we can easily name it. Okay. This one I have already done for you. See. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, then lakh. That means this is written 7,34,543. Let us do one more. This one. Now we'll put the commas first of all. Ones, tens, 100. Put a comma. 1000, 10,000. Put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. Put a comma. So this is, that means crore. Okay. So 6 crore 40 lakh 3,085. Okay students. Now these two you can do as your homework. Now let us see place value chart for International System of Numeration. We put commas in this way. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Let us understand with the help of an example. This is 100 million written over here. So in International Number System, we put commas after every 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2, 3. Now let's see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means it is written 100 million according to International Number System. Okay. See, let us understand in a better way with the help of a question. So you have to write these numbers using International Number System. Okay. First one is already done for you. See. First of all, what we have to do, we'll put the commas according to International System of Numeration. So what we have to do, we have to put comma after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now see, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means this is written 760 million, 80,501. Okay. See, in the same way, in the next also we have put the commas after every 3 digits. Now see, for your better understanding, what you can do is you can write the place value on the top of it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means this is written 672 million 534,110. Okay. So how you will read it? 672,534,110. I hope this much is clear to all of you. So that's all for today. We'll start our exercise from the next video. Okay. Till then, revise this much and stay healthy. Thank you.